Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you.
In today's video, we are going to discuss 6 ways to make your woman happy. 1. Show appreciation. The first thing you can do to make your woman happy is to show appreciation for the things she does. This could be as simple as saying thank you for cooking dinner or complimenting her outfit. When you show appreciation, it lets her know that you notice and value her efforts. 2. Listen to her. Listening is an essential part of any healthy relationship. When your woman talks, make sure you are giving her your undivided attention. Show interest in what she's saying, ask follow-up questions, and validate her feelings. When she feels heard and understood, it will go a long way in making her happy. 3. Make her laugh. Laughter is the best medicine, and it's also a great way to make your woman happy. Find ways to make her laugh, whether it's telling a joke or doing something silly. When you can make her laugh, it shows that you're not only her partner, but also her friend. 4. Surprise her. Everyone loves surprises, and your woman is no exception. Surprise her with a thoughtful gesture, whether it's a small gift or planning a surprise date night. When you take the time to plan something special, it shows that you care and are willing to put in the effort to make her happy. 5. Help out around the house. If you live together, helping out with household chores can go a long way in making your woman happy. Offer to do the dishes, take out the trash, or vacuum the floors. When you show that you are willing to help out, it will take some of the burden off her shoulders and she'll appreciate it. 6. Show affection. Lastly, showing affection is another way to make your woman happy. This could be a simple hug or kiss, holding hands, or cuddling on the couch. When you show physical affection, it helps create a deeper emotional connection and makes her feel loved and appreciated. Thanks guys for watching. Kindly subscribe, like, comment, and share this video.
Say what you wanna say to me now.